When I made that video on them knives, on the lightning bolt knives, I didn't show the sheath because I was wearing it, and I think that is cool. That is so cool, and it's hard plastic, and the knives just lock in there. They don't come out that easy. If I can get one out, there we go. There we go. I'm making the second video because these knives are just plain out cool. It took me a little bit to learn how to throw them, but they're just plain out cool. I'm going to try to throw one of them and get the balance just right. Oops. There. There we go. Knife stuck pretty good on the second try. And yesterday I didn't have the balance just right neither, so that happens. These are cool knives. I just had to say that because I had them on my wish list on Bud K, and I saw them at the Gun and Knife Show, and I decided to go ahead and get them. Thank you for watching.